Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing straight back braids. So first I'm gonna be starting off on freshly washed hair. I washed my hair the day before. Now I'm just gonna part down the middle to start my braids, and I'm gonna be using the Spetra pre-stretched braiding hair color number 1B. I usually get number 1, but they didn't have number 1. This one comes 3 bundles in the pack, and now I'm gonna be starting on my braids. My parts are not perfect because I can't see the back of my head and I'm too lazy to use a second mirror to see, but the hairstyle will be complete. Now I'm gonna be using the ORS Olive Oil Hair Moisturizing Lotion. That's going to be used to moisturize my hair, and also the Aunt Jackie's Soft All Over Multi-Purpose Oil. I'm going to be using both products to moisturize my hair before I braid my hair, just to make sure my hair doesn't get dry and brittle under the braids. You just want to make sure your hair is moisturized properly, just so you don't get breakage under your protective styles. Who wants to get breakage while wearing a protective style? Not me. So yeah, now I'm gonna be combing through the products throughout my hair, making sure every strand gets moisturized. Now I'm gonna be using the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers for braiders. That's what I'm gonna be using while braiding my hair, just to avoid flyaways, to make sure everything is laid and slayed, and just to make sure the hairstyle lasts long. This product is very good. You guys see that I rave about this product in almost all my videos. So now I'm gonna be starting on my braids. This is in real time. I'm gonna have a couple clips up close so you guys can see exactly what I do, so just keep watching. So here what I do is I add a little of the Shine and Jam on the ends of my natural hair, just to avoid those frizzy ends coming through the braids, making sure everything is laid and intact with the braid. So I'm just gonna keep doing the same routine for each braids. As you can see, I am all done with my braids finally. Now I'm using the wild growth hair oil on my scalp. For hair growth, this oil works really well for my hair. I am just going through the parts with this oil, and I'm also making sure that my edges get some oil, my kitchen gets some oil, kitchen nape, you guys get what I'm saying. Making sure everywhere gets oil because I want that growth. So now I'm gonna be using the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse all over my hair for that extra laid and slayed look, making sure everything is intact, nothing flying out, no flyaways. Yeah, getting that all over my hair everywhere. Yep, I know I have to do over this voiceover because I'm oh, look at the edges, look at them edges on swim. That's what these young people say, edges on swim. Oh, gee. Well, you guys get what I'm saying, even though it's a hot mess, what I'm saying. But now I'm gonna be using my scarf to get that extra. You know me, I'm extra, so I love that extra. Hey, TikTok. Hey, ooh. So this is the final look. Please comment down below and let me know what you think of these braids. How well did I do? And also please remember to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when I post videos. And thank you so much for your support. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.